Ever look at your bank balance and think, where did it all go? What if your bank could warn you before you overspend? Today, I'll show you how to turn TD Bank's app into your personal budgeting sidekick with custom alerts no one talks about. First, open the TD Bank app and tap More on the bottom right. Scroll and hit Settings. This is where the magic starts. Now, tap Alerts and Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of alert options. This is what 99% of people ignore, but you won't. Hit Balance Alerts. Turn it on and choose a custom dollar amount. Say you don't want to drop below $200. Set it. Boom. Instant Budget Guardian. Next, go into Transaction Alerts. You can make it ping you every time money leaves your account. Debit card, bill, transfer, you name it. And my favorite, Daily Summary. It sends you a recap of all your spending every single day. This turns your phone into a financial accountability coach. Most people let their bank app sit there. You just turned yours into a money-saving machine. Hit subscribe for more hacks that banks don't advertise.